Apple Inc.'s foray into the electric vehicle (EV) market, known as Project Titan, ended in 2024 after a decade of intensive research and development. With an expenditure of $10 billion and the involvement of 2,000 employees, the project was poised to make Apple a formidable player in the automotive industry. However, the official termination of the project came as a shock, raising questions about the reasons behind this decision and the implications for Apple's future. Leadership challenges and shifting goals. From the outset, Project Titan faced significant leadership challenges. The project's direction seemed to oscillate frequently, starting with ambitions of developing a fully autonomous vehicle, shifting to creating car software, and eventually settling on a hybrid electric vehicle to rival Tesla. This lack of a clear and consistent vision hampered the project's progress and led to internal conflicts and confusion among team members. Since 2016, these leadership issues have become more pronounced, with frequent changes in project goals undermining morale and productivity. Analysts observed that without a unified direction, Project Titan struggled to maintain momentum and focus, ultimately contributing to its downfall. Market dynamics and strategic decisions. In February 2024, Apple announced the cessation of Project Titan, opting instead to integrate the AI technologies developed during the project into its other product lines. This decision was met with mixed reactions, especially in light of optimistic projections for the EV market. Analysts at Goldman Sachs forecasted that EVs would constitute 50% of new car sales by 2035, indicating a promising growth trajectory for the industry. Given this favorable outlook, some questioned whether Apple acted prematurely in shutting down Project Titan. The burgeoning EV market presents substantial opportunities for innovation and market share capture, areas where Apple has historically excelled. However, the company's pivot to leveraging AI in other products suggests a strategic redirection rather than a complete retreat from innovation. Evaluating the decision. Did Apple make the right decision in closing Project Titan? To answer this, it's crucial to consider the broader context of Apple's strengths and market positioning. Apple has a robust track record of success in consumer electronics, particularly in integrating advanced AI and machine learning into its devices. By redirecting the AI advancements from Project Titan into its core product lines, Apple may be positioning itself to further solidify its dominance in areas where it already has a competitive edge. Moreover, the challenges faced during Project Titan highlight the difficulties of entering a highly competitive and capital-intensive industry like automotive manufacturing. Without a clear and unwavering commitment to the EV project, continuing could have resulted in further financial losses and potential damage to Apple's brand reputation. The ambition of Project Titan. Before delving into the implications of its cancellation, let's first understand what Apple's Project Titan aimed to achieve. This ambitious project was Apple's bold entry into the automotive industry, blending cutting-edge technology with Apple's hallmark innovation. Early rumblings. In 2014, Apple started seriously exploring the idea of an electric car. The automotive industry was undergoing a transformation, with electric vehicles and autonomous driving gaining popularity. Companies like Tesla were beginning to scale mass-market production, making electric vehicles more attractive. Apple, with its expertise in manufacturing, hardware, software, and design, saw an opportunity to enter this market. Initial ambitions. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, hinted at the company's interest in autonomous systems in a 2017 interview with Bloomberg News. He described autonomous driving as the mother of all AI projects. Apple's aim was to create a fully autonomous electric car, a project that seemed like a natural extension of their expertise in technology and innovation. Key elements of the project included: 1. Self-driving technology. Apple sought to redefine autonomous driving standards. 1. Initially, the goal was a fully driverless vehicle, but later the focus shifted to Level 2+ autonomy, meaning the car would have advanced driving assistance features but still require human oversight. 2. Electric vehicle innovation. The Apple Car was intended to be an electric vehicle, EV, aligning with the global shift towards sustainability and Apple's commitment to reducing carbon emissions. 3. Integration of AI and machine learning. Apple planned to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to make the driving experience safer, more efficient, and more personalized. This integration of AI was seen as a major differentiator for the Apple car. 4. Strategic partnerships and talent acquisition. Throughout the development, Apple engaged with various automotive manufacturers and suppliers and recruited top talent from both the automotive and tech industries, emphasizing its dedication to the project. Prototype evolution. Throughout the development phase, Apple explored several EV prototypes, each reflecting different design philosophies. 1. Minivan with glass roof. One of the early prototypes resembled a bread loaf, essentially a minivan with a distinctive glass roof. 2. Pod-shaped vehicle. Another design featured an I-beam shape with no front or rear windows, emphasizing a futuristic aesthetic. 3. Wedge design. At one point, Apple considered a vehicle design with a downward-pointing wedge. 4. Limousine-like model. In 2020, Apple conceptualized a design inspired by Canoe Inc.'s lifestyle vehicle, where passengers sat facing each other, akin to a limousine. This design garnered support from Apple executives Tim Cook and Jeff Williams, who were enthusiastic about its potential. Challenges and setbacks. Initial challenges. Despite Apple's ambitious vision, Project Titan encountered significant hurdles from the start. Leadership disagreements were a major issue. Steve Zadski's vision. Initially leading the project, Zadski aimed to create an electric car that could compete directly with Tesla. Jony Ive's vision. In contrast, Apple's chief design officer, Jony Ive, envisioned a self-driving car with full autonomous capabilities. These differing perspectives created friction and slowed progress. Additionally, despite hiring top talent from prestigious organizations such as Porsche and NASA, the project faced internal resistance. Key executives, including CFO Luca Maestri and software engineering chief Craig Federighi, viewed Project Titan as a vanity project rather than a viable business venture. Technological hurdles. Creating a fully autonomous electric car turned out to be much more difficult than expected. Apple faced significant challenges with Level 5 autonomy, which means complete self-driving capability without any human intervention. The company realized that achieving full autonomy was not feasible in the near future, leading to a delay in their plans. Internal disagreements. From the start, there were disagreements within Apple about the level of autonomy and the car's target market. Some team members wanted to start with a simpler, less autonomous car and gradually build up, while others aimed for full autonomy from the beginning. These disagreements led to internal conflicts and slowed progress. Market realities. Apple executives questioned the profitability of entering the highly competitive and low-margin automotive market. The company was used to high profit margins from its existing products and was concerned that the electric car business would require significant investment without guaranteed returns. The unseen automobile. Investing billions into a new initiative is daunting, especially for a high-profile company like Apple under constant public and investor scrutiny. Signs of Apple's secretive automotive ambitions included hiring automotive industry executives since 2014, obtaining a permit to test autonomous vehicles in 2017, acquiring the self-driving car startup Drive.ai, securing numerous automotive-related patents, and even rumored talks of purchasing Tesla in 2017. Unfortunately, the Apple car became an expensive misstep. This miscalculation came at a crucial time, highlighting Apple's urgency to catch up in AI, a sector with enormous future potential. Nonetheless, the project wasn't entirely in vain. It led to innovations like CarPlay, which has become a standard feature in vehicles since its introduction in 2014. The end of Project Titan. Decision to wind down. In early 2023, Apple decided to wind down Project Titan. After a decade of work, internal disputes, redesigns, and leadership changes, the project never reached a stage where Apple felt confident enough to launch a competitive product. Apple executives called a meeting within the Special Projects Group, explaining that Project Titan was ending immediately. The importance of halting projects. The decision to halt the Apple Car project underscores a vital lesson for modern project managers: the significance of strategic withdrawal. Despite the potential and resources invested, several factors contributed to the decision. 1. Financial considerations. the project was cancelled after Apple reportedly spent over $10 billion. This considerable investment without a clear path to market success highlights the financial risks of pioneering new product categories. 2. Market dynamics and competitive landscape. The automotive industry is highly competitive, with established players and new innovators. Apple's entry into this space would have required not only technological innovation but also navigating complex regulatory, manufacturing, and market challenges. 3. Technological hurdles. Despite Apple's technological expertise, the ambitious goal of creating a fully autonomous vehicle was daunting. The shift to a less ambitious Level 2+ autonomy illustrates the technological and regulatory challenges of achieving full autonomy. 4. Strategic alignment. The project's alignment with Apple's broader strategic goals and core competencies likely influenced its cancellation. With a renewed focus on areas like artificial intelligence, Apple may have determined that its resources could be better allocated to projects more closely aligned with its existing product ecosystem. Learning from project terminations. The cancellation of Apple's electric vehicle project, while significant, provides valuable lessons for modern project managers. It emphasizes the importance of flexibility, strategic foresight, and the courage to make difficult decisions. By learning from both successful and unsuccessful project terminations, project managers can improve their decision-making processes, manage resources more effectively, and contribute to their organization's success in a rapidly changing business environment. The strategic decision to halt a project, as demonstrated by Apple's cancellation of its electric vehicle initiative, highlights the complex interplay of financial, technological, market, and strategic considerations that modern project managers must navigate. The ability to make such decisions, grounded in a deep understanding of these factors, is essential for steering projects and organizations toward their long-term goals and success. Looking ahead. Despite the substantial criticism Apple faced for investing $10 billion in Project Titan's R&D from 2014 to 2024, only to ultimately abandon the EV project, the company maintains that the insights and technological advancements garnered will have lasting value. Apple's forward-looking strategy focuses on integrating the lessons learned from Project Titan into other burgeoning areas of technology. Redeploying knowledge and resources. Apple's decision to shutter Project Titan was not a total loss. The knowledge and innovations derived from the EV project are being redirected into several promising fields. 1. Artificial intelligence. The generative AI developed during Project Titan is being repurposed to enhance various aspects of Apple's core products, especially the iPhone. Employees who transitioned to the AI division believe that AI will play a crucial role in maintaining Apple's competitive edge in the smartphone market. 2. Augmented reality, AR, insights from the EV project's advanced sensor technologies and autonomous driving algorithms can be applied to AR initiatives, potentially revolutionizing how users interact with their devices and environments. 3. Wearable technology. Innovations in robotics and miniaturization from the EV project are being channeled into the development of more sophisticated and interactive AirPods. Future iterations may incorporate robotic assistants, providing users with unprecedented functionality and convenience. 4. Advanced camera systems. The sophisticated imaging and sensor technologies from Project Titan can enhance the capabilities of Apple's camera systems, ensuring the company continues to lead in smartphone photography. Employee perspectives. While the project's cancellation was a disappointment to many, some employees welcomed the shift in focus. They recognized that the generative AI developed for the EV project holds immense potential for Apple's future innovations. This pivot towards leveraging AI aligns with the company's vision of creating cutting-edge products that integrate seamlessly into everyday life. Future prospects. In May 2024, analysts at Goldman Sachs Group Inc. highlighted the optimistic growth outlook for the EV market, with projections that EVs would constitute 50% of new car sales by 2035. Despite this positive forecast, Apple's strategic redirection suggests a preference for leveraging its strengths in AI and other technologies to innovate within its established product ecosystem.